गोंय विधानसभा वेंचणूक 2022चो निकाल निमण्या कांय वरांचेर उरला। दक्षिण गोंयांत श्री दामोदर कॉलेज जाल्यार उत्तर गोंयांत सरकारी पॉलिटेक्निक आल्तीन ही दोन स्थळां मतमोजणी केंद्रां वेंचणूक आयोगान जाहीर केला। वेंचणूक आयोगान मंगळारा मतमेजणी दीस म्हळ्यार 10 मार्चाक मतमेजणी केंद्राची मार्गदर्शक तत्वां जाहीर केली।
Morning at 6:30, strong room will be open. We have sent this communication to all the political parties and candidates. Counting will start at 8 o'clock. Counting for all 19 ECs will start at the same time. We have one counting hall assigned for every AC. At 8 o'clock, counting of postal ballots will start. In every room, we have one dedicated table for postal ballot. Apart from that, we have 4 to 7 tables depending upon space in every room. At max, we have 7 tables for EVM counts in a room. Minimum is 4 tables. So depending upon space, we have given this number. EVM count will start at 8:30. You know, counting is taken round-wise. So depending upon the tables which are set up for EVM, there are rounds for each and every constituency. There is maximum of 11 rounds. Roughly one round will take 20 to 30 minutes. This is all the arrangements that we have made at the counting center, which is Polytechnic here at Alkeen. On 2 different floors, we have 19 rooms. On first floor, 8 rooms given to 8 different ACs. On second floor, 11 rooms to 11 different ACs. For every AC, one observer has been appointed by Election Commission of India. All these observers have already reported here, and they have taken a review of all the arrangements done in their constituency counting. We will have 3-layer security arrangement. The outermost layer will be outside the campus, which will be managed by the district police. Then inside the premise, we have the inner circle, which will be managed by CAPF personnel outside the counting halls. And outside the building, security will be managed